Good morning, everyone. Today I'd like to talk to you about the Motorola SL7500E. What comes in the box is a belt clip and a battery charger. Also available for purchase, you can get a wristband, loop it around the radio. Let's talk about some of the exterior features of the radio. You have a headphone jack, your programming port, your PTT, your volumes up and down, your programmable button that can also be an emergency button. Also with this radio, you have a lot of features that you can go through. So today I'll only go through a few, so how you unlock is you hit the home button and star. So this one has been programmed to have a day and night feature. What that is that it adjusts the screen to brightness. Also, if you want the channels, click over and go down. You can select whatever channel you would like. Hit OK again. Also, in this menu, you can find all your other features that you can scroll through. So I will go to Utilities. I'll go to Radio Info, My ID, and it displays the radio name and the radio number. To exit out, just hit the back arrow until you're out. Also, it will display your contacts when you key up the radio. This one has also been programmed to have other radio contacts to where you can call alert a radio, or you can disable or enable a radio. And what that does is that it allows this radio to either be enabled or disabled. So we'll exit out of that, go back to the main menu, and then I'll show you. And there are some of the features of the SL7500E.